Guys, Miguel here with a quick video. This video is on my 3rd gen 4runner. I just changed all of my vacuum lines to silicone hoses. Got a kit from Amazon that came with 3mm, 4, 5, 8, 6, and 10, and it was enough to change all of the lines that I had over here that were all cracked and from 1997. I ended up with this much left over, and I was able to change all of these hoses for about $22. So pretty much they were all cracked on the end just like this, separating hard and brittle, and that should be on both ends right there. I don't know how long these ones are gonna last, but they should last for a while, because I did my Volkswagen with some of those hoses, and they've been going great for about 3-4 years. Yeah, so just these guys were just very old and brittle, and you know, it was just time to change them. I will save them just in case, because I'm a hoarder. And yeah, so I'll post an Amazon link on the description. These are the silicone hoses that they have, and they feel pretty good. Even changed the coolant line, G plus radiator silicone hoses as well, and that is what the finished installation looks like. Sorry, engine bay is a little bit dirty. This car's been it was being worked on over at my buddy's place, and new fuel injectors were put in, and yeah, the upper plenum was removed, and when it was removed, some of the hoses cracked, and that's why we did the silicone hose upgrade. But yeah, I hope this video was helpful. I'm pretty sure those silicone hoses are good for just about any car and not just a 4runner. And thanks for watching.